What's up, everybody? Barry Monstroud coming at you with another BBS action figure review. Today from Hasbro, looking at the Power Rangers Lightning Collection, the Metallic Armor Red Ranger. So this is like a enhanced super version of their suits that had like a metallic-y, glittery kind of look to it. If you remember back from the original series, standard packaging out of this, nothing different, with the exception of when you look at the sides with like the cartoon art for the Power Ranger, it's got like a nice like textured kind of thing in the different shades of red. So that's actually pretty cool. Nice little change. With these metallic armor, they're done the 5 original Rangers. There is not any difference in the articulation. We've got the ab crunch, the torso ball joint, butterfly joints, double jointed knees, elbows. The cool thing, what I really like about the Lightning Collection is that the articulation has been very consistent on the figures until you have one with like a different sculpt. Then it might change a little bit, but other than that, you have very standard, very uniform articulation, which is absolutely great. So no complaints on the articulation here. I think it's one of the best figures out there for articulation. In this figure, you're going to get the figure itself, a pair of alternate hands, the blaster, the power sword, the Zeo crystal. Something new on this, though, is a new head sculpt. This is the original Red Ranger. You can see that this one's a little bit wider, more screen accurate. So I'm glad that they did go through and update that helmet. Now, it'd be really nice to get that in the regular version, not metallic. Also, a new head sculpt for Rocky DeSantos, of course, the character that wore the metallic red armor. A much better head sculpt. The hair can maybe be a little bit darker, but it's a much more accurate, I think, head sculpt than what they've used before. And a cool thing with that too, you can, since they're all uniform, put that on the blue Zeo Ranger, and you have, a good updated Rocky head sculpt. So all in all, cool figure. If you're a fan of the original series, you probably remember it was right before the Zeo came that they had the metallic armor. And it was just one of those, villains that got so powerful they just needed a boost, and they had the metallic armor. So if you're a fan of the original series, or just the Mighty Morphin set of Power Rangers, definitely recommend. It's something you probably want to pick up to complete the collection. I think they've covered now almost every version of the character aside from the Ninjetti. That's basically all that we're waiting for from the original set. And I know pre-orders have gone up for some of those. They haven't announced Red yet. He is the one. Red and yellow are the two they have not announced. And then we'll have basically all the main versions of the original, Mighty Morphin series Power Rangers. So looking forward to all those coming out. I've said in other reviews, this is one of my favorite lines right now. I think they're doing great things with it. I know the metallic, aside from the new head sculpt, it feels kind of cheap. Just a reissue with like that translucent, glittery plastic. But it was in the show. It was something different. So it's something to, I would definitely like to have represented in the collection. Now, the thing with these metallic armors, they do have all 5 original color Rangers, and they are a Hasbro Pulse exclusive. So you can only get them through Hasbro Pulse. I have not seen any retailer carry these. Now, that may change in the future. They may put them out as like fan channel type things to like GameStops or local comic shops, things like that. But as of right now, if you want them, you do have to go to Hasbro Pulse. Looking about $26.99 a piece, and like I said, they got red, pink, blue, black, and yellow so far. The only place I've seen them, aside from anyone reselling, is on Hasbro Pulse. So definitely want to check that out if you're interested in picking these up. The figure itself, it's, like I said, the same as the other Red Ranger. I would definitely give it like an 8.5 out of 10. There's some things that could do different, maybe some alternate hands that would be a little bit better. And it's just a reuse of a mold, so nothing too special. But if you're a big Power Rangers fan, I recommend picking it up. That'll pretty much sum it up. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a good rest of your day, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Have a good one.